Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Gloria. Welcome to Ask Dr. Gloria channel where we make health and wellness simple and easy to understand. Our motto here is learn smart, live well, and be happy, right? Yes, I'm so happy to have you here with me today. Before we dive in, make sure you like and subscribe. Plus, very important, drop your health questions or topic ideas in the comments below so I can cover them in future video. Thank you. Let's dive in. This quiz contains multiple choice questions from different competitive and academic exams. You have 5 seconds to answer each question. Pause the video if needed. Question 1. Where are most enzymes for secretion synthesized in a cell? A. Question 2. What is the primary function of the capsule or slime layer in certain bacteria? Now you need to remember the pathogenesis process to answer this question. C. Question 3. Which structure is used by bacteria specifically for attaching to the surface of other bacteria or host tissue? B. Question 4. Which of the following correctly match the organelle to their function? As I always mention, as healthcare student and medical student, you need to familiarize yourself by different kind of questions. This is matching kind of question. So pause and match it. The answer is B. Question 5. In plants, which structure is responsible for photosynthesis? B. Question 6. What is the primary role of the cytoplasma in a cell? B. Question 7. Compare with eukaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cells are generally D. Question 8. Which structure is present in plant cell but absent in animal cell? D. Question 9. What is the primary function of the Golgi apparatus? A. Question 10. Which organelle is responsible for the synthesis of lipid and the detoxification of drugs? B. Section B. Before we continue with section B, if you need to take a break, take a break. If you need to take a coffee, take a coffee. Section B contains top 10 questions on cell membrane and transportation in cell. Let's dive in. Question 1. Which of the following is an example of passive transport? C. Question 2. The sodium-potassium pump is an example of C. Question 3. Which of the following best describe the role of cholesterol in maintaining cell membrane fluidity at different temperature? B. Question 4. How does the degree of saturation in phospholipids affect the fluidity of the cell membrane? A. Question 5. What is the primary role of cholesterol within the plasma membrane structure? B. Question 6. In the phospholipid bilayer of the cell membrane, the hydrophobic fatty acid tail points outward towards the extracellular fluid, while the hydrophilic head points inward. True or false? Remember, hydrophobics, the water haters, hydrophilic, water lovers. So, true or false? This is false. Question 7. A substance moves across a cell membrane down its concentration gradient without utilizing cellular energy, that is, its ATP, according to the classification system provided. This process is categorized as a B. Question 8. Which of the following transport mechanism is correctly paired with its physiological behavior? Another pairing. Now, does exocytosis, does it move? Is it movement of small atom into the cell? What is the answer? C. Question 9. Which of the following features uniquely characterize primary active transport? B. Question 10. The cellular export of large molecules, large molecules such as proteins like fibrinogen, out of the cell via vesicle fusion with the plasma membrane is known as, I'll repeat the question again, the cellular export of large macromolecules such as proteins out of the cell via vesicle fusion with the plasma membrane is known as A. Thanks for watching today. Remember to learn smart and live well. Until next time, I'm Dr. Gloria. Take care of yourself.